In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier. So it's very easy. First, you want to make sure you're signed up and everything, and click Create Zap. Now, there's two main things here. There's trigger and action. So the trigger is what is the thing that makes this Zap work. So, for example, let's say you want a Shopify order to be the trigger. You can go to Shopify, connect your account up, and then let's say a new abandoned cart. Click continue, set up your Shopify account here, connect it all up, and then you can go to an action. So let's say every time you get an abandoned cart, you want to send a message to Discord. So you connect your Discord up, you can put send channel message, continue, make sure you've got everything right, pick the channel, general, text. Then you can click here and it's going to give you the details of the abandoned cart. So you could select like the name, the order number, the amount, all that stuff. So every time someone abandoned a cart, it would automatically send a message into Discord. And I don't know, that might be useful for you in some way. You can just they have so many apps on here. You can fiddle around with this and you can really automate pretty much anything. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.